to nurtechsolution. First of all, you can see here I keep 3 PDF files, so it's bit critical PDF file. Okay, so I gonna show you how you can do the combine the PDF file. So first one I gonna open. You can see this is a PDF file and it's application PDF file. Okay, so it's said like it has some pages and we need to fill this up like the PDF form, plus we need to give the signature and attached all together to send maybe our boss or somewhere. So if you like, you can put, suppose in here, maybe put your name, family name and surname, whatever is your name, you can put it here. Okay, so when you fill up all the file, and if you come at the end, what you gonna see, maybe you can see this kind of file. It says signature of your employer or representative. So that means you need to print out this form and you need the sign from your employer or your boss from somewhere. Okay, so what you need to do, maybe you need to first print out it, or you need to send to your boss. Your boss gonna maybe print out and sign it and send you back. So suppose like this one, this is the last page, whatever I told you. So it's sign it, and here this is like the PDF file I need to combine with like first form. Okay, so what I need to do, I keep another PDF file as well here. So this one you can see, this is the third one. So I gonna show you why I keep this one. Okay, so what I need to do, I gonna open first PDF file and I gonna see I can edit this file or not, because this is very critical file. I can't do anything. So what I need to do, I need to go to edit option, then I need to go to insert, then paste from file, just select it, and I can select any PDF file from here. Suppose this one, because this page I need to add. So if I select that one and open it, you can see it's set without the owner password. You don't have permission to insert, delete or rotate page of the document. So I have no permission to do this file to rotate or delete or whatever. Okay, I can't do anything. So how I can do then, because I need to combine this file and send to my boss or somewhere. Okay, so what I gonna do, I need to go to bypass to do something. So this is my third file, whatever I told you. This one, if I go to edit and if I go to insert, you can see page insert, then I can go to, this is the page I need to add. So I'm gonna open it. You can see this one I can add. So that means this PDF file I have like the permission to do edit or combined or something. Okay, so that's why I keep a third PDF file which one is possible to edit. Okay, so then what I need to do, I can delete. If you see like this one, I can delete. Okay, so this page, if you like this one, you can select and delete. Okay, so if you don't know how to delete or add page, you can see my previous, I have some video in my channel, you can go and have a look this one. Okay, so now what I gonna do, in this PDF file I gonna combine everything. Okay, so because this one I can edit or combine whatever I like. Okay, so for that reason, what I need to do, I gonna go to edit and insert the page form file, and I gonna insert that form like the first form, whatever I said. Okay, so this is the form I add with this file, and I deleted unnecessary all the pages, so I don't need that. So I need only these pages. Okay, so suppose first page, second page and third page. Okay, so you can see this is like the pages, but the first one I don't need the last page because I gonna add that page. Okay, so this is the new one, whatever I added. So now I need the last page to add, as I have already 2 pages I need. So I need to select the last page in here, then I need to go to insert, edit and insert, then go to page from file, then I need to take the whatever page I need to add at the end, the signed face. So I gonna click that on, and you can see now it has been comes like the from first to last with the signed page. So if you see like that kind of critical file or application, you can do the combined like this. You need to bypass something. Okay, then I gonna go to file, then I go to export, then I can export like whatever I can keep the name. So suppose I gonna keep like the PDF, the name, then I gonna put in desktop where you want to put, you can select where you want to put. Okay, then it's already selected PDF, so you don't need to worry anything. So then you can save it, go to save, then it gonna save to your computer. So when you see it saved, just we're gonna open and we're gonna see this one is perfectly saved or not. Okay, so I can see it has been perfectly saved with my signed page and everything is combined together. Okay, so if you see this kind of critical PDF file, you can combine like this. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you believe this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Until that, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.